Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Robin. The habit of mindfulness meditation is an exercise for disciplining the mind and bringing calmness and serenity. There's no wrong way to start the habit, and there are many benefits. If you have headphones and are in a safe place, it can greatly improve the experience. Now, sit upright and relaxed. Rest your hands on your lap. Let your eyelids relax and droop to the point of nearly being closed. Or watch the video if you choose. Feel the breath at the tip of your nose as you breathe in and out. Don't work at it, just be aware of the feeling. There's no need to count your breaths, just feel. This is what you will bring your attention back to throughout the meditation. Today, we're meditating on humility. Humility is not thinking less of ourselves. It is not being humbled or bested by others. Practicing humility is a form of purification or transformation of character or repentance. Being humble is admitting when you're wrong or when you've made a mistake. Russell Brand says of humility, "There is humility in confession, a recognition of flaws. To hear myself say out loud these shameful secrets meant I acknowledged my flaws." Behaviors such as using drugs, excessive drinking, overeating, gambling, or withdrawing from peers often come from a confused sense of self. Practicing humility helps us have a realistic view of ourselves and the ability to acknowledge both our strengths and our weaknesses. Practicing humility helps us to be open to different perspectives and learning from others. When we let go of our ego and ask a higher power for help, we relieve pressure from our lives. Some ways we can strengthen our humility are keeping a gratitude list of what we have and the opportunities that come our way, practicing empathy for others, being of service to others, practicing self-reflection or meditation on where we are with our humility and gratitude. Ralph Waldo Emerson said, A great man is always willing to be little. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, share, and meditate. You can help support this effort through my Patreon page, Sitting with Nature. Thank you.